Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about 10,000 INR investor in HCL Technologies turned into 7.79 lakhs. HCL Technologies was founded in 1976 and is one of the original tech startups as 8 entrepreneurs. Shiv Nadar is the HCL founder. It is powered by the global team of 218,000 people and passionate across 60 countries. They are providing technology services on AI, cloud, engineering, software. They are working industries on aerospace and defense, oil, gas, automotive, public sector, banking, etc. HCL IPO was issued in 1999. The initial price of 500 to 580 per share. With the investment of 10,000, you will get 17 shares and the face value of 10. In 2000, HCL give 2:1 split ratio. The total shares will get 51 and the face value is 2. In 2007, HCL give 1:1 bonus ratio. The total number of shares you will get 102 and the face value remains 2. In 2015, HCL give 1:1 bonus ratio. Total number of shares will get 204 and face value remains 2. In 2019, HCL give 1:1 bonus ratio. Total number of shares will get 408 and face value remains 2. The current trading price of HCL is 1,910. The total number of shares you have 408. The market value is 7,79,280. HCL dividends 408 shares into 54, that is 22,032. That was the last year dividend HCL was given in 2024. Current financial year 54 rupees the HCL dividends was given. Next year dividend payout will be increased. Can I get the return like this? If you invest today in HCL Technology, you will not get return like this. HCL grew as a larger company with 1 year return of 28.77%. In the 5-year absolute return is 26.58%. And average return for last 5 years is 45.31% only. Keynotes. Earlier few companies have given return like this. Infosys, Wipro and Titan etc. were the few multi-baggers. If you want some same kind of return, do research and invest in 20 to 25 stocks. Invest in the early stage and hold for next 20 years. If any fundamental issue with that stock, sold immediately and hold other stocks will give more possibility to get the return like this. And that is about the video, friend. Press the like button, subscribe to my channel and follow me